Here's the seasonal report for today, October 27, 2022. Let's go and first take a look at S&P 500. We looked at 90 days yesterday, 90 years. Let's today look at the last 40-year seasonals. We're just looking at seasonal chart right now. And here's the seasonal chart of the last 40 years. The only thing we care about is the trend. If you take a look, the trend is up, starting right there, 27th of October. It becomes very bullish. Right now, for this particular 34 day out from today until end of November, the market, S&P 500 has gone up 4.38%, 72% of the last 40 years. Last time this did not work was in 2011. Didn't also work in 2007 and 2008. Otherwise, look at the last 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 years, 34 days from today has been positive for last 10 years in S&P 500. So we know that it's bullish time. The particular time that markets go down, possibly crash, we even talked that possible crash time has passed. That doesn't mean that market's not going to go down sharply. Fundamentals can change, but if fundamentals stay stable, typically seasonality takes over and it follows these patterns, or at least the probability is higher. So let's go and look at our long possibilities on Dow. Do we have any shorts? Do you see, because the market is actually long, everything is long. There are no short opportunities in Dow 30, and there were some before. The long one is United Healthcare, 22.5% in 240 days. Worked 9 out of the last 10 years. It's a very good stock for long-term growth. Salesforce.com, it's a 11-day 3% gain. It's probably going to hit the earnings this time of the year. Nike, Microsoft, they're all short term. Microsoft did a big drop, but Microsoft usually recovers, and chances are it's going to do it again. Visa, Disney. So as you can see, because the market is bullish, you see a lot of short-term opportunities. When we saw the market being bearish, everything was long-term because it needed time to recover. But there's a lot of short-term opportunities here on Dow 30. How about NASDAQ? Top of the list again is Keurig. Keurig is a great stock. Also for long-term growth. How did it do if we would have gone earlier? Look at this. If you would have jumped into that beginning of October, you would have had a 4% gain on Keurig already. Marvell, look at this up move. 16% in 102 days. Broadcom, also a huge jump, almost 7% in the next 11 days. A lot of great opportunities. You can just come and take a look at it yourself. These are free. You see the top 10 if you just take a look at it. But if you create a free account, you're going to see all of this for the current day. Top of the list on S&P, Masco. Also a huge up move right there, 5%. Northrop, a long term. That's probably a pretty safe bet when the way the world is right now. Russell 1000 has Keurig on the top. Wilshire has AMN Healthcare on the top of the list with a Sharpe ratio of 3.11, 82 days until mid-January. Let's look at ETFs. Top of the list, consumer discretionary goes up 4% in the next 34 days. Another good opportunity. How much data do we have? What if we look at last 20 years? It didn't work in 2011, 27, 28. It worked all other years. 85% of last 20 years it's worked. Growth ETF Vanguard. Almost 3% in 34 days. Look at this. A lot of 34 days in here. Which is end of October. We also know that December is seasonally a strong month for the markets. Now that we are on ETFs, let's just take a look at gold. Look at that. Gold is on a seasonally down right here. 80% of last 10 years. We have 17 years of data. 2007 to 2010, it was long the whole time. Interesting. Anyways, sign up for a free account and you're going to be able to see the top 100 or more opportunities each day. You can come back every day and see opportunities for that day. That's it for today.